Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of celebrity skincare secrets. Ever wondered how your favorite stars keep their skin looking flawless? Well, I've got the inside scoop, and I'll be sharing their best-kept skincare tips and tricks with you. Let's get started. First up, we have Jennifer Aniston. This Friends star has been in the spotlight for decades, and her skin is still radiant. Jennifer swears by her simple yet effective routine, which includes cleansing, hydrating, and using SPF daily. She also loves using rosewater spray for a quick refresh throughout the day. Let's try Jennifer's routine. Start with a gentle cleanser, follow with a hydrating moisturizer, and never skip the sunscreen. For an extra boost, keep a bottle of rosewater spray handy. Next, let's talk about Rihanna, who has her own skincare line, Fenty Skin. Rihanna emphasizes the importance of exfoliation and uses her Fenty Skin products religiously. She believes in a three-step process: cleanse, tone, and hydrate. To follow Rihanna's routine, start with an exfoliating cleanser, then use a toner to balance your skin, and finish with a hydrating moisturizer. Remember, consistency is key. Zendaya's skin always looks stunning, and she credits it to a minimalist approach. She focuses on keeping her skin clean and moisturized. Zendaya is also a fan of using tea tree oil for blemishes and loves a good face mask. Zendaya's routine is simple: cleanse, moisturize, and treat blemishes with tea tree oil. And for some extra pampering, apply a face mask once or twice a week. Kim Kardashian's skincare routine is more elaborate. She invests in high-quality products and treatments, including serums, eye creams, and regular facials. Kim is also known for her love of using face oils to maintain a dewy glow. Kim's routine might be more intensive, but you can adapt it to your needs. Start with a gentle cleanser, then apply a serum, followed by an eye cream, and finish with a nourishing face oil. And there you have it, celebrity skincare secrets revealed. Remember, the key to great skin is consistency and finding what works best for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to your channel name for more beauty tips and tricks. See you next time.